What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul, and here it is, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've gone for it in the deep blue. I've got cases right here. This is the case that's going to be on it from today. The new Apple Watch is also here. Video coming straight after this one, so get ready. I've took my main SIM now out of the Pixel. If you haven't seen that video of me going to the Pixel full time because I've got rid of my iPhone and then I had to use a phone, so then I decided to use the Pixel. Full video coming on my thoughts on that, so get ready for that. Here it is. Let's just jump straight into it. So normal on the back, 17 Pro Max, deep blue, 256, and got the pull tabs on the bottom. Blue on the iPhone side right here, and the blue Apple logo on the top. The box has been absolutely done in, but never mind, it's only the box. So one and two. There we go. So let's slide that off, and there it is, the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. I've got a weird feeling, right? Now I may be wrong on this, but this back piece right here, the way they've done it, I reckon they're lining us up for a brand new MagSafe battery pack, because this is the old one and it literally sits in. But look at how much space there is around that. I reckon we could see another MagSafe battery pack coming soon, like they've done with the Air. I can see us getting something similar going on the back of this piece right here. I could be wrong, but you never know. Cameras on the top, the new camera control on the side, power button on this side, volume, has all the normal stuff. SIM tray on this one as well, because it's the UK version, not the American one. Nothing on the top, and of course your speakers and charge ports on the bottom. Let's go ahead and do it. Never to not see fingerprints ever again. So let's go ahead and, where's the SIM tray? There we go. Let's go ahead and pop this out. I will pop my iPhone, pop the SIM straight in, and we'll get going straight away. There will be obviously screen protector video, more case videos coming soon, so get ready. In the box, of course, you get your normal, you can't even get it out, normal reading material about your phone, and of course braided charge USB-C to USB-C cable, and a SIM eject tool at the top. So there we go, it's on. Swipe up, English, United Kingdom. I'm going to let this run through the setup, what case I'm going for, and then we'll come towards the end of the video and we'll go straight for the Apple Watch, so get ready. I'm going to go with default setup without another device because I haven't got it here with me anymore. Obviously I sent the iPhone back. So straight away I've activated the Wi-Fi access, that's why I went missing there. But it's now doing a software update. So straight out the box, software update. So we'll let this do its thing. I'll set it all up, and then I'll say what we'll do. While that's doing its thing there, I'll show you the case that's going straight on. So we've got this one from Tac. It is the premium case. This one is diamond clear. So if you take it out the box like so, there will be a full dedicated video coming on these. But make sure you get ready. So you get these little things on the side right here. It says Tac, thin cases and mobile accessories. It's got a film coating over the top, which needs to come off, and I've got to take this thing off too. Let's see. Yeah, not going to do that. Let's just cut it. There we go. There we go. Off it goes. And then, as you can see in the middle, designed by Tac on the MagSafe ring. And you got this coating over the top. If you take it off like so, nice plasticky diamond clear case. Cut out right there. Cutouts on the bottom. No camera control button because it is a thin case. So, and no buttons on the sides, so all of the buttons are your own phone. So if you slot it in like so, and there we go. So there it is. Apple logo sits in the middle. It's going to be a fingerprint magnet. First case from Tac. As I say, all the buttons are going to be your own because it is a thin case, but nice camera protection on here. So get ready, that video is coming soon. I'll show you both cases in that video, and you can let me know which one's your favourite. But right now, that's the case I'm rolling with. So huge thank you to Tac for sending this out and appearing in the unboxing video as well. So huge thank you to those. I'll leave that on while it does its thing and download the software update. Let me get this software update out the way. I'll set everything up and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so there we go, all set up now, apart from the fact I've now got to go in and re-download apps and set everything up, because I decided to go for not a backup. I decided to restore back to, I decided to do it as a brand new phone. No backups, no restores, no nothing. Just literally kick in, set everything up myself, and then get everything ready to roll. So in the next video, in the next couple of videos, you may see a what's on my iPhone video coming soon, so get ready for that, and I'll show you how I set everything up for me personally. But for now, I'm going to go in there, get everything ready. But huge thank you to Tac for sending this over and being part of this video. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. But I am off to enjoy this device now, and it's now crazy season, so let's get ready for some amazing videos. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed right now. And of course, this video coming up right now, Apple Watch Ultra 3. So if you're interested in that, that'll be coming up soon as well. There'll be some accessories, cases, screen protectors, you name it, everything's coming, so get ready. If there's anything you want to see, let me know in the comment section down below. But for now guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. See you in a minute guys.